Good morning, my friends. That's right, this is gonna be a strange morning. Not really, it's actually a Friday morning, not a Saturday. That's right, this weekend is the Mokan that's right, it's their 60th anniversary up there. They're gonna have Big Daddy up there. They're gonna have nitro cars out of you know what. But yeah, no, it's their 60th race, and we're gonna go up there and enjoy the show. So anyway, we got only one days of racing up there. It's 2 days of racing, but only 1 day for the sportsman class. So got to get there early. My good friend John Brooks, he's actually saved a spot for me up there. It's going to be that crazy. My other good friend John Rutledge, sorry John, he won't be able to make it. He's flying off to India or something like that. Anyway, so with that, let's go ahead and get the truck all loaded up, get the trailer hooked up, and let's get out of here. Right now it's a beautiful morning, maybe in the low 70s or something like that, or mid 70s, but we're in a heat advisory for the rest of the weekend. So yeah, it's going to be really hot up there, so gotta keep hydrated. So let's get started. Okay, we're all loaded up, get ready to head out to Mokan on a Friday morning. Can you imagine that? Usually on Friday mornings we're preparing for a big race weekend, which this is a big race weekend. It's Mokan's 60th anniversary race. So yeah, Big Daddy's going to be up there. Tons of nitro cars, wheel standers, you name it, it's going to be there. Man, there's going to be thousands of people up here. I cannot wait to get up there and see all those people, especially race in front of them. That is going to be great. So anyway, with that, I'm going to have a little fun here this morning. We're going to quiz Pop, see if he knows what the year anniversary is for the track. So I think he knows, but hey, let's have some fun with him. And I don't know, I might throw another question in there. I don't know. If not, let's see if he knows the answer. So here we go. Hey guys, man, I want to appreciate everybody that came up to me and say, hey, I saw a YouTube video. I had a young gentleman named of Colton, not too sure of his age, but it was really nice to meet you, and I really do appreciate you watch my videos and stuff. And I had some other gentleman, forgot his name, I came up and said, hey, you watch my YouTube video. Man, I really appreciate that. It makes me feel really good that I'm actually reaching out to people and all that good stuff. Anyway, with that, man, on with the video. Okay, got a question for you. I think you can even answer this one. What year anniversary is the track?
60. Same as our anniversary.
Yep, unlike his age. Okay, and where are we going?
Mokan.
First stop?
Sonic. Millwater, Oklahoma.
Okay, and what are we going to have there this morning? A hamburger?
Our Breakfast of Champions breakfast.
That's right. We're going to get breakfast this morning. Burrito. Okay, so let's get out of here and get on down the road. Well, there he goes. I pulled up just a little bit closer to him today instead of parking way in the farther back. Anyway, gave him a good start to get over to Sonic, and there he goes. So guess we'll see if he makes it back on a straight line or not. So anyway, breakfast is coming. I was just sitting here. You see how all I bet he's parked kind of close toward the entrance to that. You get this one individual parked way at the end, making this poor lady walk all that way. Why? Not sure. Yeah. Okay, he just paid the lady, and he should be heading back this time right about now. Yep, there he comes. Okay, he's got the line of sight lined up between him and the truck. Let's see if he looks. Yep. Okay, so far it's walking straight. Let's see. Seems happy with it. Bag seems small, but the burritos are big. Okay, let's see what we got here. You get one or two? Seems like a small bag.
One for me.
Oh my goodness. It doesn't say cheesy on it, does it? Other side. Oh! It's different. Classic class. Like us. Like an all-American hot dog on a hot summer day. See? Finally, we got the summer day bags. Let's go eat. Yay, we made it. It's all the track. Oh, the cone's still there for us. Good. Here we are. 60th anniversary race here in Mokan. Yep, made it. We've got a great spot here. Joe and June Brooks saved this spot for us. Thank you. Sure do appreciate it. So we got our 60th anniversary band. Actually says 60th. Cool. See if anyone's here.
What's up?
What are you doing?
Oh.
Sounds like a starter.
Yeah.
Well, rather do it now than.
Basically. I thought I chipped the flywheel because it kicked back on me and it sounded pretty horrendous, and I'm thinking battery's just not charged enough to where it's not spinning over enough.
Yeah.
And so nothing wrong at the moment.
So
I just took it off just to make sure I didn't break no teeth off of this, off the starter.
yeah,
And basically
preventive.
make sure I didn't crack nothing
Yeah.
where don't break the snout off.
Oh yeah, you don't want to do that. It's our new kitchen setup. Cool. Good old man. Hey, I need Good morning from Mokan. This is Saturday. Yesterday, I didn't race. We didn't race. There's no bracket racing yesterday. A bunch of the nitro cars was out there yesterday running. I do have some videos of that going down the track. Might be a separate video for that as well. I might include one or two clips in this video. I don't know. Just have to wait and see. Anyway, as you can tell, it is morning here. You hear the generator in the background. It is going to be a very hot day. Yesterday it was extremely hot. Today is going to be just as hot. So you can tell we got the canopy up behind me. Going to try to keep the car cool during the day. We start actually limiting, or not limiting. We have one qualifying pass today at 10 a.m. So that means, yeah. Then after that, one round of qualifying, then right into eliminations. So as always, I'm in both classes. I'm in Super Pro N, No E, so wish me luck today. So anyway, so with that, let's go ahead and get the day started. And hopefully I got some decent footage. Hopefully I get my GoPro working properly today. So anyway, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna try to find my dad. He wandered off again. I don't know. I have to go find him. See if he's over here. I found him.
I didn't leave.
Gonna put a silver alert out on him.
No, you put a cowbell on.
Good Lord, cowbell. Oh, he's red lighted. Oh my gosh, Craig is swerving over this lane. Okay guys, it's gonna be a first round of qualifying. I just found out there's no sportsman here, just no E and Super Pro and juniors. So yeah, it's different running after the juniors. So anyway, we're gonna have one qualifying round only for Super Pro and no E. So definitely gonna have cameras on these passes. So that's the reason why you probably see me sitting here in the car. So with that, I'm ready to go, strapped in. It's gonna be a hot day, so I need to keep hydrated. So here we go. First round qualifying, 670. We'll see. It's getting hotter. Track's getting hotter. So wish me luck. Brake button, when I got on it, it never, or this is actually the delay button for the box, but it controls the trans brake, or the box does. Anyway, when I pushed on it, it never activated my tranny brake. So what that means, as soon as I pushed the button down, set the brake, and pulled in there, I gave it the gas, the car lurched forward. It has to do with the connection here going into the box. It never told the box I was pushing the button, so it never activated the tranny brake. So what can I say? I'm going to test it next time I go up there in Super Pro. I'm going to go ahead and buy back, and I'll test it, make sure it's activating. Then I have better faith in it. So I'm going to probably have to make new connectors on this before the next race for sure. So anyway, oh well, another way to lose. Yep, back to sunny again. We had some rain showers move through. They stopped us after the second round of the juniors, and the nitro cars are going down the track now, but we're going to be first up for no E coming up for the second round. So anyway, we'll keep a 670 on it. I don't think I'm going to get off that dial. So anyway, like I said, it's a pretty day here, sunny. So here we go, round two. Okay, second round no E. Left the dial the same 670. Hopefully that's not a mistake. I got a slower car, so I'll be leaving last. So just got a good light. Make it happen. Okay, we got back home, got the old bathroom all cleaned up. I'm backing up to the shop right now. Get the trailer back in. Once I get that back in, we'll talk about what happened today at Mokan with me. I mean, you already know in the video what happened. You know, 2 rounds, both classes. I go out. So yeah, not a good weekend, but I'll tell you what, I enjoyed this weekend a lot. I mean, I loved the nitro cars. Oh my gosh, 360, 370s, you know, 200 mile an hour plus. I mean, oh my gosh, that is awesome. So hang on a minute, guys. Let me go ahead and get this trailer back in here and we'll talk some more. Okay, basically what happened, yeah, just bad end of the luck. Man, when Larry George puts a 003 on you and you don't run a 32 or 34 light, run dead on, man, I gave up 30 on the tree right there, and that's basically cost me the race there. Super Pro, what can I say? Had the better light than he did. Car, 60 foot fell off. 00 something at the stripe, in his favor. But man, it is what it is. Wish things would have went a little bit better, but it didn't. So anyway, with that, 2 weeks we'll be back up at Mokan. We'll try it again. Yeah, my battery died again. Anyway, it is what it is. But like I said, we'll be back up there in 2 weeks. We'll try it again. Be back in both classes. And heat is really bad on small tires. What can I say? Makes it a little bit inconsistent. We think we got a good suspension set up, but sometimes we get curveballs thrown at us. Tires spinning, what can I say? But someday, hopefully we might get that alleviated. Maybe try to get a bigger tire on there. I don't know. But right now, I got a small tire and I just have to deal with it. So with that, 2 weeks we'll be up there. So if you do like what you see, please hit the subscribe button and hit that like button. And other than that, we're close to 600 subscribers, so let's keep on hitting those subscribe button. I sure do appreciate it.